we're going to cover some counting basics. So far, we may have read music or rhythms where you see this thing. This is called a time signature. And what you really need to know right now is to think about that top number. That top number is going to tell you that there are 4 beats per measure. So what we're going to do, we're going to say that this particular note, this is called a quarter note. Don't get confused by what it's called. You hear quarter, eighth, half, don't worry about that right now. This is a quarter note and it's equal to just 1 beat. So if I need 4 notes, and what this means is 4 beats in each measure. So what a measure is from one bar line to the next bar line. You can fit 4 of these quarter notes. So if I wanted to just fill this in, I could fit 4. And we would just count them exactly according to the order they're in. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, that's 4. But we can play around with this a little bit and do all kinds of other rhythms. There's also something called the quarter rest. So if I just say erase one whole one of these beats, I can put in a symbol that looks like that. Some say it's a Z with a little tail on the end, or it's Harry Potter's lightning bolt on his forehead, a strange looking 3. It's probably confusing that I put it on 3. Sorry, didn't mean to mess you up. But this would be 1, 2, rest, 4. That's how you'd articulate this particular pattern. Now, if we want to put 2 quarter notes together, just like you put 2 quarters together, we get what we call a half note. A half note looks like this, and a half note is equal to, I'm going to draw some arrows around. A half note is equal to 2 beats. So if you do the math here, you got 1 beat, plus 2. There's 4 total beats taken care of in this measure. And what this means is that we're going to hold that note for 2 beats, which happens to be beat 3 and beat 4. So we would go bum, 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 and then be done. That would cover all 4 beats. We could get crazy and we can erase and make that a half note as well. And to me, it's just like fitting Lego pieces together. If you had one of the longer pieces with just 4, well, you have a lot of different combinations you can fit in there. You can fit in 4 1 pieces. You can fit in 2 2 pieces. You can fit in a 1 piece and a 3 piece. There's a lot of different things you can do, but basically, if it says 4 4, it means that top number tells you there'll be 4 notes in each measure. Now, what I want to show you really quickly is what we call the rhythm tree. And this will help you understand the names for like the quarter note and everything. So the first thing we